Control your mind, and you control your destiny. Let's face it, the world will not hand you your dreams on a silver platter. Challenges will rise, doubts will creep in, and fears will try to overpower you. But here's the truth: your mind is stronger than any obstacle. It has the power to transform fear into courage, doubts into determination, and failure into stepping stones to success. The only question is, will you harness that power? Every day, we are bombarded with distractions. Social media, endless notifications, and the pressure to compare our lives with others can cloud our vision. But the moment you allow these distractions to dictate your actions, you lose control. You're not living your life, you're reacting to it. True control begins when you decide to silence the noise. Wake up each day with a purpose. Decide what matters most to you, and don't let anything derail you from that path. Focus is a muscle, and like any muscle, it grows stronger the more you use it. Your mind is a garden, and every thought is a seed. What you water and nurture will grow. If you feed it with negativity, doubt, and fear, your mind will become a place of chaos and despair. But if you cultivate thoughts of gratitude, resilience, and possibility, it will bloom with strength and hope. Choose your thoughts wisely, because they shape not only your day but your entire life. When negative thoughts creep in, and they will, acknowledge them, but don't give them power. Replace them with something better. You're in control. You have the authority to redirect your mind toward growth and positivity. One of the greatest challenges in controlling your mind is overcoming fear. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of the unknown. These are the chains that hold us back. But here's the secret: fear is just an illusion. It's your mind playing tricks on you, projecting worst-case scenarios that may never happen. Instead of running from fear, face it. Look it in the eye and say, "You don't own me." When you confront your fears, you take away the power. You transform them into fuel for your fire, proof that you're alive and striving for something greater. Controlling your mind also means taking responsibility for your emotions. Life will throw curveballs. People will hurt you, plans will fail, and circumstances will test your patience. But how you respond is up to you. Remember, no one can make you feel inferior or defeated unless you allow them to. Emotions are like waves. You can't stop them from coming, but you can choose which ones you surf. Choose to ride the waves of resilience, gratitude, and strength. Your ability to control your emotions directly influences your ability to control your life. Another critical aspect of mind control is discipline. Discipline is doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. It's waking up early to chase your goals, saying no to short-term pleasures for long-term success, and showing up every day, no matter how hard it gets. Discipline is not a punishment. It's a form of self-love. It's telling yourself, I'm worth the effort. My dreams are worth the sacrifice. When you master discipline, you master your mind. And when you master your mind, nothing is out of reach. Taking control of your mind also requires you to set boundaries. Not just with others, but with yourself. Set boundaries for your time, your energy, and your focus. Protect them fiercely. If something doesn't align with your goals, let it go. Learn to say no without guilt. Your mind is a precious resource, and you must guard it against anything that doesn't serve your purpose. Boundaries are not walls. They are safeguards that keep your mind clear and your path steady. Finally, understand that controlling your mind is not about perfection. You will have bad days. You will make mistakes. But controlling your mind means not letting those bad days define you. It means picking yourself up, learning from your mistakes, and moving forward with renewed determination. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Celebrate every small victory, because each one is a step closer to the life you're building. The power to control your mind is already within you. It's not something you need to find. It's something you need to unleash. It's in the choices you make, the thoughts you entertain, and the actions you take every single day. So, take a deep breath. Decide here and now that you will no longer be a slave to distractions, fear, or negativity. Decide that you will rise above, take control, and create a life that's not just lived but truly fulfilled. Remember, you are not your circumstances. You are not your failures. You are the captain of your soul, the master of your fate. Control your mind, and the rest will follow. The journey won't be easy, but it will be worth it. And one day, when you look back on all you've achieved, you'll realize that the greatest victory was not over the world but over yourself.